Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So I just got in my curated bead box for the month of March, and it's called Dusk in the Woods. So I've already cut open the edge. I used a razor blade, but we're going to open it together. So I'm kind of interested to see what's going on. I see some spacers. I see in the picture. So we're going to open this together and take a look at what is inside. All right, so I'm going to set my box here, and we've got a lot of yummy beads, so let's take a look at what we've got. So we have 10 millimeter orange apple green crackle frosted duos. I love these crackle beads, especially the duo ones. I really like those. And this orange apple is very pretty. This reminds me of, fall, not necessarily spring, but fall, but woods, dusk in the woods, sunset. I do like that. Next, we have 8 millimeter green orange duo style glass beads. And that would be these. These are the marble effect beads. Those are very pretty. I like those as well. Those go well together. I do like that. And then we have 6 millimeter fern jade style glass beads. So we have, I guess the color's fern. But those are very pretty. I like those. I think those go well to match the dusk in the woods. Then we have 1 ounce 8x4 aqua peanut glass beads. And that is these. I'm not too sure about these. I've not used them all. Honestly, I can say I don't think I've ever used these before. I could see using those maybe in a bead embroidery, or maybe in a bracelet that if you did a bead weaving. Not really sure about those, to be honest. They also included 1 ounce 8x4 millimeter orange peanut glass beads. I'm gonna have a hard time using these, I will admit. But I mean, I buy these kits or these boxes mostly because I'm trying to expand my design skills by getting beads and colors that I normally wouldn't buy. So that's going to challenge me. Next, we have 14 millimeter milky white crystal glass bead mix. And I'm assuming that's what this is. There's 6 beads, 2, 4, nope. 2, that would be these. These are fun. I can see those being earrings, drops of some sort. Next we have 20, oh, I'm sorry. These are the 20 by 12 drop milky white glass beads. There's 6 of them. In here, we have milky white and crystal bead mix. They said 6 beads, but I actually have 5, 6, 7, 8 beads in there. And they've got these little crystals that have 2 holes on either side, so that's fun. Next, we have 14 millimeter luster electroplated glass bead mix. And there's 6 beads, so this one's got 6 beads. So these are pretty big. I can see, maybe a pair of earrings for that. Those are fun. And then we have a 13 by 26 owl rhinestone silver pendant. I like it. That's cute. It's sparkly and colorful. Then we have 6 millimeter flower silver metallic spacer beads. Yes, so it's going to be one of these. They have 2 sets of them. So there's the flower spacer beads. So those just got a little flower on them. And then they also have a second set of flower spacer beads. Different style, but still flower themed. And then we have 4mm flower metallic spacer beads. And so those are really tiny. I don't know if you can see the pattern on those. And then we have, lastly, 2 crystal faceted glass beads. So these, we've gotten these before in the bargain bead boxes. They have a pretty large hole, and it goes through the top, so they are pretty good drops. You know, I can see doing something fun with those. And then, of course, you get your findings, and they have silver findings this time, so you have your selection of beading wire, ear wires, crimp beads, memory wire. They included head pins this time, the elastic, which I never use, jump rings, and lobster claws, and I'm not even sure why there's one earring back in there, but there's an earring back in there. All right, so that was the bargain bead box, or curated bead box, Dusk in the Woods. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not really impressed with this box this month. Normally I like the beads in the curated bead box. I, usually like them, they usually do pretty well, but I just kind of feel like this month it's kind of like they weren't sure what they wanted to do, so they threw some stuff together. It's not a lot. I might be able to do some earrings with these, but again, I've got white, I've got bluish yellow, I've got orange, I've got bluish green, and silver. I'm not seeing the cohesion in this box this month. So to be honest, I'm kind of disappointed, and we'll see what we can do with it. Maybe I can add some beads from my stash. I mean, I can see doing something with the owl and doing something separate with these. Something totally different, but to be honest, like, that wouldn't even go. These really don't go together, in reality. Maybe like that I could do one pair of earrings, but yeah, I'm not feeling it. So I don't know, maybe you guys would like this better than me. I mean, I could see maybe doing something like this with some silver in between, and doing maybe a bookmark or a sun catcher or something with these, maybe doing, I'm not sure. Again, I'm going to have to think about this, but anyways, so that's Dusk in the Woods curated bead box. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.